Why is Git used?
So for the application development team or the software development team, we actually write the code on our computer. Like I write the code on my computer, then actually I pushed my code into the remote server so that it can be stored and then it can be shared, it can be distributed onto the environment or the shared with other computer, the developer. So that's actually the basic usages of Git, but Git does a lot of more things. It does the version control. It tracks all the changes, who made the changes, what was before, what is after, and then the Git is used in our QA team, it is used in our development team, it is used in our DevOps team. So it is actually the core, one of the core the tools for the entire development team from the beginning to the end, and it is a continuous tools that we use for any type of code changes, as mentioned, developer, QA, and the DevOps.